Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to use a mousse in my hair. Now I don't really like to use mousse like that. It's not a type of product that I like to put in my hair. Never really had a good result, but lately I've been trying to have more volume in my hair, and you know, in an attempt to do that, I've been trying different products. I'll actually link a video right there with a line of product that I use for volume, which I can't remember the name right now. I think it was Not Your Mother's, because I've been using a lot of Not Your Mother's lately. Anyways, today I'm going to use the Good Stuff Too Good to Rinse Off Volumizing Hydration Foam, good for fine and flat hair. This is what the bottle looks like, and I've been playing around with this mousse for a little bit. Today, for the first time, I'm gonna not use any leave-in conditioner, only the mousse. So my hair right now is washed, and no, it's co-washed, and I've put a little mask in it. It's all rinsed out. It is still wet from coming out the shower. I'm gonna put the mousse in my hair, and then I'm going to put a little bit of flaxseed hair gel. I'm going to style my hair and diffuse it, and I will show you the result right after. So let's get this started. I'm going to re-wet my hair a little bit, and then I'm going to show you how I apply the mousse, and then fast forward through the rest of the process so this video doesn't last too long. Yeah, so first I'm going to part my hair. Okay, let me just take out my little cardigan. Okay, here we go. That's how the mousse is. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this mousse everywhere. And just because it's the winter and I'm trying to protect my hair as much as possible, I'm going to put a little something, but only in the ends. And what I decide to put right now is in my bathroom. I'll be right back. Alright, so what I decided to put is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treatment Smoothie Defining. I have not done a review on this yet. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a review on this bad guy. It is a very heavy product, I think, so I'm just gonna put like a tad bit, and I'm gonna only put it on my ends to make sure that they are nicely hydrated. So again, this is as much as I put in there, and oh, my nose is itchy. And I'm just gonna put it on the ends. Voila. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to put my flaxseed all over my hair. So the good news is that I am running out of flaxseed hair gel, which means that I'm gonna need to make some more. And I'm going to do a video on how I make it, because my last video is already over a year old on how I make my flaxseed, and then I've slightly changed the way I'm doing things. So yes, this is a video that's gonna come up really soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so now that I have the flaxseed in my hair, I am going to style my hair, which means that I'm gonna hand curl the bottom part and then the top part here, and then I will scrunch the rest. Once I'm done doing that, I will diffuse my hair. So I will see you guys in a second. Alright you guys, I am done styling my hair. I am about to go diffuse my hair. Right now what I can tell you is that this mousse feels very light, very fluffy. My hair is very scrunchy, but not in a bad way, like when you put a mousse in your hair, you know. It's not like when you put a leave-in conditioner where it feels soft and kind of creamy, milky kind of thing. This is more like a fluffy scrunch, and you can hear it as you scrunch your hair. You can hear the mousse actually. So another thing I wanted to say is that this mousse is not targeting curly hair. It's targeting fine and flat hair. So this is not gonna help my curls to be even more bouncy, I think. It's more gonna be like giving me volume and hydration, hopefully. And the curl pattern is gonna be whatever curl pattern my hair naturally has, plus the fact that I hand curl here and there. So I'm hoping that I will get a whole lot of volume. I'm hoping that I won't get too much frizz, but I think that the flaxseed is taking care of the frizz. Okay, so I'm about to go diffuse my hair right now. I will see you guys in about 1 second for you and about 15 minutes for me. So see you in a second. All right, I'm back, and this is the result after diffusing my hair. I have to say that my hair took maybe 6 minutes to dry completely. I'm 100% dry. I'm 95% dry. I did not fluff my hair yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And and here we are with the volume, you guys. Okay, this one has been getting on my nerve. This little hair right here, this guy here, this one. What the heck? What do you want to do? You want to go on this side, but I want you to go on the other side. Okay. Eh ben dis donc, I asked for volume, I got volume, huh? Ask and you shall receive, they say. Bon, bah écoute, this is this is voluminous. I think this is successful. I am really happy with the amount of volume. Now, my question is this gonna last? Because you know how your hair is nice and fluffy after you're done diffusing it, but as the day goes by, it tends to get flatter and flatter and flatter, right? So I'm very curious to see how the product is gonna age throughout the day. I think that's how you would say it, like how it's gonna grow throughout the hours. But right now, I am loving the volume. This is kind of the volume I've always wanted in my hair. I'm just hoping that it will last. Now, what can I say? I can tell you that my hair feels super duper lightweight because I only have a very light product in it, and I did not put a lot of flaxseed hair gel. I'm a little concerned about the dryness. Right now my hair looks like it's hydrated, but if it was a little bit less hydration, my hair would be dry, like it would be too dry. So this is borderline too dry. I'm happy that I did put a little bit of the smoothie, the Fructis style curl treatment smoothie on the tips of my hair to protect that, because that would have, the mousse alone and the flaxseed would have not been enough. As far as the curl definition, like I said, the mousse is not targeting curly hair, so I was not expecting this mousse to give me more curl definition, but my hair is naturally curly, so I know that my hair is going to curl anyways, and I was not really looking for a crazy bouncy curl definition, but I was more looking for a big hair, which I got. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I am loving it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I can also do a review on a mousse that is targeting curly hair. Like I know that Diva Curl has one. I can do that. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to try the Diva Curl volumizing mousse for curly hair. I'm not sure how they call it, but you know which one I'm talking about, and I'll be happy to do that. If you have any recommendation on a volumizing mousse for curly hair, I'll be also happy to try them. Alright you guys, well this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I have lots of fun. I'm really happy about the end result right now. I can't stop putting my head in my hair. I am loving this. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to leave me recommendation on other mousse that I can try. Right now, this is my first time trying this mousse. The good stuff, I like it. I really do. Obviously. Voilà, but that's that. I have nothing else to say. For once I'm speechless. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next week, my love, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.